The starting material to prepare cross-linked silicons are linear silicons are produced by option C, R2SiCl2, where cross-linked polymers you can get by using RSiCl3. RSiCl3 can give you cross-linked polymer. Answer is option A. RSiCl3 can give you that. You see that RSiCl. Upon hydrolysis, what will happen? This chlorine will be replaced by OH group. And that OH group, when condenses with a different molecule, it can condense like this. And it can condense like this also. It is able to make a cross-linked character because there are 3 chlorine. And that upon hydrolysis you will get 3 OH group. And that can connect linearly as well as cross-linking wise. Okay.